National Weather Service in Indianapolis has issued a tornado warning for northern Johnson County in central Indiana, Marion County in central Indiana. This includes the city of Indianapolis until 2 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 1:16 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, amateur radio weather spotters Anderson at 1:35 p.m., Greenwood at 1:40 p.m., Homecroft at 1:45 p.m., Beach Grove in Indianapolis at 1:50 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This is a life-threatening tornado emergency. If you are in the path of this large and destructive tornado, take cover immediately. The safest place to be during a tornado is in the basement. If no basement is available, go to the lowest floor of the building in an interior hallway or room. Get under sturdy furniture or use blankets or pillows to cover your body. If in mobile homes or vehicles, evacuate them and get inside a substantial shelter. If no shelter is available, lie flat in the nearest ditch or other low spot, and cover your head with your hands.